We're now going to start our fourth unit. It's called Mistaken Kedushin. The Gemara is going to start. We'll learn a Kedushin, Perik Sheni, Heish Mekadesh, and we're going to be Memchet Amidbet, which is 48, side B. We're going to look at the Mishnah, and the Mishnah is going to discuss if something's unclear about the Kedushin. Would it make it a valid Kedushin or not? So let's look at the case. Higdashti li bikos zeh shel yayin. A man says to the woman, be sanctified to me with this cup of wine. The nimtza, and it was discovered, shel devash, that it was actually a cup filled with honey. Or what happens if he says the same thing? Higdash li bikos zeh shel devash. I want you to be mekudesh to me, sanctified to me, with this cup of honey, v'nimtza, and it's discovered shel yayin, that it was filled with wine. Another scenario, when the man asks the woman to be mekadesh to him, and he says, b'diner zeh shel kesef, I want you to be mekadesh to me through this silver coin. V'nimtza, and it was discovered shel zahav, that the coin was actually not silver but gold. Or shel zahav, I want you to be mekadesh to me with this gold coin. V'nimtza, and it was discovered shel kesef, that it was actually silver. Now, the Mishnah is going to say the following. The Mishnah is going to say, okay, we know, based on our earlier learnings, that in order to, three methods in order to make a Kedushin happen, one of them has to be kesef, money, something of monetary value. So the Mishnah is not going to talk about that I'm going to give her something of monetary value, but I'm going to add a condition. And what's the condition? Almanas, on condition, right? I want you to be mekadesh to me with whatever I'm giving you, but on the condition, Almanas, shani ashir, that I'm rich. The nimtza, and it was discovered, ani, that he was poor. Ani, I want you to be mekadesh to me, Almanas, that I'm poor. The nimtza, and then it's discovered, Asher, he was rich. And the Mishnah, the Tanakama of this Mishnah, is of the opinion, any mukudeshet, under any of these circumstances, any of these scenarios, the woman is not mekadesh. Rabbi Shimon Omer, Rabbi Shimon says, if hita, a mistake was made, l'shevach, for her benefit, meaning that during the Kedushin process, she benefits more than what was represented to her, mukudeshet. The Kedushin takes place. So Rabbi Shimon says, hita l'shavach, if the mistake was made to her for her benefit or advantage, she's mukudeshet. And we have to understand what Rabbi Shimon is talking about. We're going to have to see later in the Gemara what he actually means more specifically. Okay. Please do your Hasbar, and I hope that this was clear. I would like to reiterate again that in order for a Kedushin to take place between a husband and wife, it seems here that when it comes to issues of monetary value, things have to be made very, very, very clear, and there can't be any misunderstandings by both parties. We take it very, very seriously, and we want to make sure that everybody understands what they're getting into, and as well as how the process works.